Hello. Welcome everyone to the third lecture of Module 1. The theme is, why is plagiarism a problem? What do we learn today? Today's lecture is actually going to be a fun discussion. We are going to discover some fun. At the end of the lecture, test your learning by taking the quiz and do the assignment. Alright, let's see. Why everyone focus on plagiarism in academia? Is it that much wrong? Yes, it's wrong. Because of plagiarism, the author lose the reputation and employment. Students may lose studentship. Student plagiarism has rapidly risen over the sphere day by day. Due to student plagiarism, not only student face the problem, rather both teacher and university face difficulties. Let's discuss each scenario. Why plagiarism is a problem? The first scenario is, plagiarism is a form of theft. Although theft is stealing of physical property, but plagiarism is stealing of intellectual property. Morally speaking, the stealing of physical property and stealing of intellectual property are of similar act, in the manner, the former one is true in social context, while the later one is true in academic and non-academic context. How would you feel if someone stole your ideas or writings and present that as their own? Stealing others' work, ideas, writings, file, or information is a kind of unethical practice. By doing such mischief, you are limiting your own learning. Next ground is, plagiarism is a form of cheating. When someone cheats your paper, how would you feel? In such situation, your mind is open up to angry mood. Incorporating others' materials and submitting his own work is a kind of cheating. By doing such things, you are not only cheating yourself, but also cheating others. Qualifications or grades earned through cheating is completely unfair. Such qualifications or grades does not represent your actual skill and knowledge. As a result, these decreases your literacy. Meaning is that, you are incapable of expressing your own thoughts and ideas. This is the most adverse effect, which block your further progress. Next scenario is, plagiarism is a form of academic dishonesty. Exchange of idea is the starting point of research. Without exchanging ideas, you can't grow and develop. But, do you know, where the shared idea approaches a constructive peak, and where the shared idea approaches a destructive peak? The ideas are only meaningful, if the speaker and listener, both are honest. If you see the constructive peaks at this point, they may collaborate, which may explore a new research, or they may discuss to reform their shared ideas for development. But, if you see the destructive peaks at the same point, one can steal the idea and present that as their own, or one can sell their idea, etc. At destructive point, all the conclusion gives rise to a form of plagiarism and academic dishonesty. This not only harm the students, but also harm the teachers. Plagiarism creates a conflict environment for everyone. No universities tolerates plagiarism. Hence, stay away from this. Next scenario is, plagiarism is a violation of ethics. When you do assignment, you develop your own knowledge and critical thinking ability. By means of it, you develops own ability of writing, analyzing, synthesizing, organizing, and information presentation technique. But plagiarism retards the learning process. Due to plagiarism, students lacks their skill development, and also progress. The path of plagiarism is completely unethical, and could lead you towards destruction. So stay away from this. Now, let's test your learning by appearing the quizzes. You will get 10 seconds for answering each questions. Let's begin. The first question, how could you develop your skill in effective way? The options are, 1. By copying others' work. 2. By learning from others' work. Your time starts now. Which one is right? The right answer is option 2. No one is perfect from the birth. Everyone learn from others and develop own route for progress. Next question, falsely submitting others' work as your own can brings you. The options are, 1. Plagiarism, 2. Academic credit. Your time starts now. Which one is right? The right answer is option 1. Submitting others' work as your own is a means of plagiarism. Next question, if I plagiarize, then I will know it. The options are, 1. Yes, 2. No. Your time starts now. Which one is right? Option 1 is right. The awareness of what plagiarism is, or is not, lies upon the student. Students should use their research skills to being aware. Next question. Which of the following gives negative spin? The options are 1. Learning, 2. Plagiarism, 3. Presentation, 4. Writing, 5. None of these. Your time starts now. Which one is right? Option 2 is right. Plagiarism always gives you a negative spin, whatever the context that may be. Now your homework is on the way. Do it as your own. The first assignment is, day by day, student population increases in the university for getting higher education. The plagiarism scene is also rising simultaneously. If your junior student asks you to guide on plagiarism, how do you guide them? Write your answer in comment section. The second one is, why plagiarism is sinful? Comment below. The next one is, plagiarism space and academic space welcoming you. Which space do you choose? Write in comment section. Thank you very much for concentrating in the entire lecture. Hope you enhance your knowledge and learning.